तो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो आप सभी। मैं आपके सामने लेके आ चुका हूँ 12th क्लास की मैथ। तो हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं 12th क्लास की मैथ को, चैप्टर नंबर 3 मैट्रिक्स से। मैट्रिक्स से आप क्या समझते हैं? सो मैट्रिक्स is a part of mathematics. It is very useful to simplify and find out the values of unknown variables. तो हम देखते हैं डेफिनेशंस। A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers or function in rows and columns. It is usually written inside the brackets like brackets like this type of bracket. The matrix is denoted by capital letters. Example: A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Second, B equal to 1 6 5 4 3 2 1 0 1. Now question is put up: what is column and rows? So here you can see above matrix. These are rows and these are columns. 1 2 3 columns and 1 2 3 rows. Now matrix representation. Matrix denoted by capital. In this case, matrix represent this form. Here Aij is elements in the ith row and jth is the columns. Where I greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to m, and j greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to n. Here I and j are real numbers, where m is the rows of matrix and m stand for the number of rows and n is the number of columns. represent. Take an example. 5, 4, 9, 3, 2, 1, 6, 3, 7. Here in this matrix 3 rows and 3 columns. Rows denoted by M and column denoted by N. Then the order of matrix is 3 into 3, and the elements in the matrix is multiply of mn and equal to mn. So in uppercase 3 into 3 means 9 elements in the matrix. Now representation of matrix in details, like this type of matrix are so: A equal to A11, A12, A13, dash 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 A1n, A22, A21, A22, A23 equal to A2n. Here something AM1, AM2, AM3, then AMN. So you know what is the order of matrix. M into N is the order of matrix. Take an example. A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 9, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this matrix you can see 4 columns and 3 rows. Rows are denoted by M. So here rows is 3 and columns denoted by N. Here columns is 4. Then the order of matrix is 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is the order of the matrix. Now in this matrix how many elements are present? So 3 into 4 equal to 12. 12 elements are present in the given matrix. Now I am come on the types of matrix. Matrix is many types, like first column matrix, second row matrix, third square matrix, fourth diagonal matrix, fifth, identity matrix. Sixth, scalar matrix. Seventh and final is zero या null matrix. Now discussed on types of matrix one by one. First, column matrix. Now you can define the column matrix. How? A matrix that has only one column. Example: A equal to 1 2 3, B equal to 5 6. Here are the 1 columns, 1 column, 3 rows. The order of matrix is this. So representation of column matrix is Aij into 1. Here 1 is only one column, m is rows, its are many. Now discussed on rows matrix. What is row matrix? A matrix that have only one rows. Example: 1 2 3. 1 into 3 matrix. Order of matrix is 1 into 3. The representation of square matrix is Aij 1 into n. Here 1 is only one row, n is columns, it is many numbers of column. Now discussed about square matrix. What is a square matrix? Number of rows equal to number of columns. Example for understanding: 1 2 3 4. Here are 2 rows and 2 columns. Then the order of matrix is 2 into 2. Number of rows equal to number of columns. Then the representation of square matrix is Aij m into m. M equal to n. Condition. Now discussed about diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? A square matrix where all non-diagonal elements are 0. Example: 5 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 2. Here it is a diagonal. All elements are not 0 and other elements are zeros. So condition for diagonal matrix is where Aij equal to 0 when I not equal to j. Now come in fifth, scalar matrix. Definition of scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix, all diagonals elements are equal. Like example 400040004 200020002. Condition for scalar matrix. Aij equal to 0 where I not equal to j. Aij equal to k where I equal to j. K is a constant. K is a constant for some other element. Now discussed about identity matrix. A diagonal matrix where all diagonal elements are 1. If Aij equal to 1 if I equal to j, 0 if I not equal to j. Take an example for understanding. A equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So you can see diagonal elements are 1 and other non-diagonal elements are 0. Now discussed about null matrix. Yeah, 0 matrix. In this matrix, all elements are 0. Example 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. All elements are zeros. In any matrix, this is called null matrix. Now we discussed about equality of matrix.